the left.
Can you record it for me? It's already.
Okay.
Over there.
Yeah, the top, the one my target. You can see it. It's safety is on, right? You make your eyes closer to the closer, yeah. Can you see it?
No.
Just move your eyes closer and you have to find it closer or farther. Can you find it?
I don't know. You see the orange on
You have to get used of the scope, man. You have to be, you get used to it.
I see holes, but I don't see orange.
Can see it?
left side? Yeah.
Now you can see it?
Wait for the third one. I got it, man.
All right.
What's the third one?
It's in the middle.
So it's, what up?
Here we go. I'm gonna do another one.
That's a two-stage. That's a two-stage, so you can relax.
Slightly on the outside.
One, and then
One more time. And then you try.
Felipe, you got a two-stage, right? Two stages is press it first and then press it just a little bit. Press it a little bit and hold.
Okay. I got the shit again.
You have to no farther. There, about 3 inches. You see it?
Yeah. Where'd that go? I have to find it.
Oh, safe.
Hold on. Oh, it's right there.
So how did you hit it?
There's one. Oh, I don't think so. That's the third one.
Gotta,
And then there's one like right in the middle. I see you. Okay, so let's do this one.
you saw it?
Yeah. No, you're gonna.
It's unsafe. It's unsafe.
Okay, so this is pretty on it. Just bend it. Oh. Okay, so just aim smack in the middle of the bottom. It's a big gun.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Are you hitting it? You have to. It's zero.
Maybe.
Huh?
Maybe.
Now it's empty. Okay. Let me see.